Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please go subscribe and like the videos. Check out the channel, turn on notifications, and share the video with a family member, friend, or anybody that you know. Or shoot, you could find a random person. But if you're not new to the channel, remember, please subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot, and it's free. And you can always go unsubscribe if it doesn't really matter, because I just need the help from the channel. And let's get into the video. So if you clicked on this video and you saw what the video subtitle was, you're probably wondering how to do a burnout standing up on the mini bike without putting your feet down. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that. And I know I'm kind of cheating, y'all, because it's kind of wet out, sad and crummy. But it should be the same thing in like leaves and stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to find an area with probably a bunch of leaves, because that's going to be the easiest to do some drifting on. You're going to want to come into the leaves, and basically you're going to want to come to the front of your mini bike standing up like this on the pegs. You're going to want to and just send the throttle out and make the burnout. Oh crap. Freaking oil sensor, dude. The only thing about the 212, you don't really want to do it though on the side like that. Otherwise you're going to hit the oil sensor and it's going to bog out. But yeah, basically that's just what you want to do. And so, and if you don't even want to do stand up, you can just put your foot down like that and do like that. That's what makes you comfortable. And if you want to do a side shuffle, like I just did when I bogged out, you're going to want to put your left or right foot down, whichever way you want to go. And you're just going to want to come into that turn with a little bit of throttle, like that. Dang it, dude. It's wet. It is freaking wet back here. Oh, finally. We're out. But yep, so that is how you drift on your mini bike. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please go subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, still please subscribe. go like the video, find out about the channel more, and it just helps the channel out and lets it grow. So like and share the video if you want more videos just like this. Bye.